Hello everyone, welcome to IT Hub channel. In this video, I am going to show you how you can extract audio from a video which is present in YouTube. So for example, I want to extract the audio of this song. Okay, so if I, let's say, play this
Hi, Joe.
video
Hi. He's a
and
designer.
let me
A
skip
great
the
one, I
ad.
might.
So this is a video song, right? Where you can see the video as well as you can hear the audio. But in case I want to extract the audio only from this video file, how we can do that using Python script, I'm going to show you that. Okay. And I'm going to extract audio from multiple YouTube videos. Okay. So first of all, let me create a file on my desktop and I'll create a notepad file and I'll name the file as songs. Okay. In this songs file, I'll just mention the video ID of this YouTube video. So the video ID of this YouTube video is this one. So whatever comes after V is equal to will be your video ID. So I'll just copy it and I'll just paste it here. Okay. In the next line, I'll mention the video ID of another song. So for example, let me select any other video song. Let's say I want to extract audio of this song. So I'll copy
This is how fast YouTube is with
let me mute this. So I'll copy the video ID of this YouTube video and I'll paste it on my notepad file. So likewise, you can mention as many video ID as you want, but for the sake of demonstration, I am putting only 2 video IDs. But you can put as many as you want. Okay. Now I am assuming that you all have installed Python on your laptop and you have an IDE where you will run your Python code. In my case, I am using PyCharm, which is an IDE using which I can run my Python code. Okay. If Python is already installed on your laptop and if it is added to the environment variable, then I suggest you to open command prompt and install a module named Pafy. Pafy is a Python module which will help you to convert or which will help you to extract audio from a YouTube video. In my case, Pafy is already installed. That's why I'm getting this message requirement already satisfied. But in your case, it will take a minute or two and it will download and install Pafy on your laptop. Once Pafy is installed, the next thing which you have to do is you have to install another module called YouTube/DL. Okay, this is required for Pafy to run properly. Okay, in my case, YouTube DL is already installed. That's why I'm getting this message requirement already satisfied. In your case, it will take some time and it will install. Okay, once Pafy and YouTube DL is installed on your laptop, we are good to go. Okay, so now I will explain all this code one by one. So the first line of code is import Pafy. So like I said, Pafy is a Python module which will help us to extract audio from a YouTube video, okay, and which we just installed using pip install in the command prompt window. So once Pafy is installed, the first line of code you will write is import Pafy, okay. The second line of code is basically the songs list, okay. So our song is present at this location, right? So if I go to my desktop, this is the file where all my songs are present, right? So this is, if I check the location of this file, the location is this one, right? So this is present over here. Okay, so basically this is the text file where I have put all my songs. Okay, I have put R at the beginning just to instruct Python to ignore these slashes, okay, and treat it as a string. Okay, once this is ready, the next line of code is for each song in songs list. So basically we have 2 songs in this songs file, right? So for each song, okay, so each song means first one this song and then this song, okay, we are going to use the new method of Pafy. So Pafy is a module, okay, and we are going to use the new method of that module, and we will pass the video ID of the YouTube video for which we want to extract the audio. Okay, so in this case, first it will take the ID of this one. Okay, so for the first iteration, it will take this ID, it will put over here, okay, and it will convert it to a Pafy object. Okay, now you will wonder like how I am getting this one, like how to understand like from where I get this Pafy.new method. Okay, so I'm not doing any magic show. Basically what you can do is if you go to Google and if you type Pafy documentation, so the first thing which you will get is this one, Pafy. Okay, if you go to this Pafy and if you go to the full documentation, then you will see that if you scroll down, see, create a Pafy object using the Pafy.new function, okay, giving a YouTube video as the argument. So basically I am creating a Pafy object which then will convert our which will then extract the audio from our video. Okay, so this line of code will create a Pafy object. This song is basically this song for the first iteration, and for the second iteration this will be our song. Okay, so this is the Pafy object. Now Pafy object has a method, inbuilt method, get best audio. Okay, now from where I got this get best audio, so if you look at the documentation again, then you can see that here Pafy.get best audio will give me the audio stream with the highest bitrate, or in simple term you can consider it as audio with the highest quality. Okay, so this will return the audio with the highest quality which I have stored in this variable audio with best quality variable. Okay, and since I want to download the audio, I have written this command audio with best quality, basically the variable where I stored the audio dot download function. You can come to the documentation and you can scroll down to see where is download function. Okay, so see, basically stream is audio in my case and I'm using download function. So once this audio is downloaded, once this audio is downloaded, it will again go to the next iteration. It will fetch the second song ID, which is this one in my case, and it will download it. Okay, once both the songs are downloaded, my file will be closed. Okay, now if I run this script, it will start downloading the audio. Basically it will go to YouTube, it will search for this video and it will extract the audio from that video. Okay, and it will take some time, maybe 4 or 5 minutes for this process to complete, and then we will see our songs, the extracted audio file over here on the left hand side. Okay, I think the first one is already done. Let's wait for the second one to complete. And this is how you will extract the audio from a YouTube video. I just want to tell you one more time that you can read the documentation, because whatever code I have written over here is just by referring this documentation. Okay, so you can read this documentation and you can use other method as well. So for example, I used get best audio to extract audio from the YouTube video. But let's say you don't want to extract audio, you want to extract the original video. So in that case, you can use get best method. Okay. If you just want to extract the video with no audio, you can use this get best video method. Okay, and all the descriptions are mentioned over here. Okay, so let's see if the download is complete or not. It's still going on, so we just have to wait for some time. In case you have any issues or question, feel free to mention in the comment section, and I will try my best to answer those questions. And let's see if the second song is downloaded or not. I think only the first one is complete. The second one is still going on. All right, so both the songs have been downloaded successfully. You can see at the left hand side. Okay, now if I go to my if I go to this location, I will see the songs. So for example, I have to go to C drive, users. Basically, this is the current working directory where I am working. So if I go to C drive, users, okay, then Lenovo, and I'm going at this path where my current working directory is. So C drive, users, Lenovo, PyCharm projects. So I'm going to C drive, users, Lenovo, then PyCharm projects. And in PyCharm projects, I have Python project, and you can see the audio have been extracted successfully. So if I play this, you can hear that. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching my video, and please subscribe to IT Hub. Thank you. Thanks a lot.